article that was posted and the rumor going around is false.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping in for the first time, feel free to get down there and click subscribe. If at any point in this video you enjoy it, shoot it a thumbs up. First thing, few updates before I get into the meat and potatoes of this video. With me going to SEMA and stuff, I got super backed up. So my grill is still here. This should be, I hope. I'll be painting it this weekend. Obviously, video to come on that, but that should be painted this weekend. So super excited about that. And I hope you guys really enjoy it because it's a neat design and it's customized and everything, so that will be awesome. Another question, I get a lot of questions about this hoodie. Honestly, found it on eBay years ago, and then Cummins went on a thing where they started you know, not allowing people like at county fairs and stuff where you'd get hoodies like this because it's their logo and stuff. They didn't let, they were suing and doing a bunch of lawsuits with people who illegally and reproduced their logo onto shirts and t-shirts. So that's why a lot of people stopped making things like this. So yeah, I bought this years ago if anyone was asking. I know it's pretty sweet. That's how I saw it in eBay. It was the last one. Had to snag it coming down the sleeve and the big C. It was awesome. So I know a lot of people ask me about this, but that's where I got it. So I couldn't, I mean, you just gotta look around. I can't really help you anymore. But yeah, so grill this weekend. Oh, this time of year, guys. Oh, it sucks. Like I said, I just literally got out of work, ran home, picked up the camera, and started filming because with daylight savings time and the sun going down in like 10 to 20 minutes from now, there's no daylight anymore. So you guys were gonna get this video yesterday, but when I got home, after I washed my truck, the sun already down. So that honestly sucked. Today's video is based on the rumor going around that 2019 is the death of the 6-speed manual. So the rumor is that 2019 is the death of the 6-speed manual. As you guys know, my truck in fact is a 6-speed manual transmission. I'm gonna be honest, when I was looking for trucks, I was up in the air depending on whether I wanted a 6-speed or not. I picked this truck mainly because one, it's green, it's different, I love that, that's awesome. The transmission, you know, 68, they can't handle big tires. It'll eat them up once you tune it. And the Ison only coming at 3,500, and I wanted the rear coils for, you know, probably the best ride on the market. So that's why I picked a 6-speed for this truck. And I know it's a lot easier to replace a clutch than it is to rebuild an entire 68 RFE transmission. So this video is about this article that was on I Got a Cummins, you know, the Instagram. It's got 138K followers. And if you scroll down here, look what we have here. We have my truck. And what they also didn't realize at the time is my truck. This is a video on my channel when I first got this truck saying what I'm doing in this truck. Here's the beginning of the build. This is my truck stock. And this is how she sits now. Yes, it's a huge transformation. Everything from the badges to painting the chrome bumpers and all new grille, headlights, wheels, tires, lift, everything. This is what, you know, this is what they posted. Not realizing it was my truck. However, it is my truck stock. I love when I'm even tagged in post and you guys blow up my Instagram feed, you know, tagging me. This shows the support, you know, saying it's my truck, my credit, so. But as you can see here, G56 Trans discontinuing the heavy duty Ram trucks for 2019. And if you go to this article, the only way to get there, because it's not clickable, is this. Now if you Google the first few, you know, numbers of the link, this is how I got to there. Now you click on this on the I Got a Cummins forums, and you scroll down here, and you see here's the article that they posted on Instagram. Well, it says, well, boys and girls, it's official news. There is no more option to order the G56 Trans and the heavy-duty Ram trucks for 2019. We feel this is a big mistake. Thoughts? This person says, big mistake by FCA. This one says, you're going to lose a lot of hotshot drivers. This is nuts. Big mistake. like Ray said from Double R Diesel, there's nothing that beats a G56. And there's a whole bunch of other posts here. I love my G56. Big mistake.
I love my G56 as well. Like I said, there's another reason I picked G56, not only for the transmission reliability compared to the 68s and the you know, Ison only being available in the 3500, especially with tune and lift and bigger tires and stuff like that, is the drivability. This thing is mad fun to drive, guys. It is one of the the funnest trucks I've ever driven, especially tuned, and I can't wait to get my clutch in here, which also should be soon. Waiting on a few more final details for that, settling it on and finding a date to install it. But once I get the clutch in here, I can harness all the power this truck has. It will be the most unreal driving experience. I got good news for you guys, that article that was posted in the rumor going around is false. So as soon as this article came out, I texted my buddy, you know, my sales guy down at Coughlin, who, you know, helped me get this truck, stuff like that, helped Ben get his Jeep. Great guys down there. Like I said, if you guys ever need anything, call them, because best salespeople, best dealership I've ever had experience with. I'm gonna read this with you guys here as I bring up the text. Here it is, with the pictures you guys are gonna see on the screen. I'm gonna read it with you. You can order the manuals in 2018s. You can't order 2019s at all yet. So the first picture you guys are seeing here is pretty much him ordering the you know, a Laramie package, and DEG is the manual transmission code. So if that's the transmission you want, that's what the code you put in the ordering system. This is the back end of, you know, ordering vehicles at the dealership for stock units, or if you order one yourself. This is what they do to get you your vehicle. DEG is the manual transmission code. You can also find that on Ram's website. The next picture you guys are seeing here is him trying to order a Ram 2500 in a 2019 body style, and let's say make is 2500 heavy duty crew cab. No body model can be selected, and no configuration, and no information is available at this time. So what you guys are seeing right here is you can't even order a 2019 yet. So as soon as I saw that article, I did a lot more Googling, trying to do some research, and there's no information out at all about not being able to order a G56 in a 2019. So first thing first, go straight to the dealer, and I told him, can you try and order me a 2019 Ram 2500 6-speed manual? He said, yeah, give me a few minutes and, you know, I'll run it through. And Brayden went through, and you can't even order a 2019 truck yet. Simple as that, guys. That article is false, and just like, it's the same exact body. They're not changing the body till 2020. There's no, even in 2020, I will still, you know, I would still assume they're gonna offer a G56 or some new manual transmission from Mercedes or wherever, just like the G56, because it's one thing keeping people in the Ram brand, like all the people in the, you know, forums said. And like I said, I love my G56. Although the clutch is weak, especially when you add power to it, it is the funnest truck I've ever driven. And once I change out the clutch, this thing is gonna be a absolute beast compared to a 68 or an Ison. Yes, I can't shift anywhere near as fast as an automatic. And no, I'm not racing this truck, but as a daily driver and a, you know, just a simple truck as drivability, the G56 is probably the more fun and best option out there, in my opinion, as a daily driver of a G56. Yes, this is my daily driver. As weird as this seems, yes, this giant truck, green and everything, is my daily driver. So guys, there you have it. The the news is in. As of right now, you can't even order a 2019, but considering it will be the same body style and pretty much the same truck with a different year on it, maybe different software on the Uconnect or who knows what, I will still assume that they will be offering a G56 transmission in the 2019 body style trucks, because it's the same exact truck except the 19. I don't know where whoever got that information got it. You can't even order 2019, so I'm going to assume that when they are released to the public, a G56 will still be an option. But we will keep you guys updated as, you know, more information comes out, and as soon as the 2019 is available for order, I'm gonna have him try to order me up a 2019. Again, no, I'm not going to actually purchase the 2019, but I will have him order me one up in a G56 option to see and show you guys that it's actually available for purchase. I just want to clear the air on that, because it's all over the internet right now. I got people messaging me, Snapchatting me like, dude, they're not allowed, you're not gonna order G56s anymore. And I was like, hold the phone, I need to get to the bottom of this. Chrysler is not even shipping or ordering or whatever building 2019s yet, so wherever they got that information, I don't know. As more information comes out and the 2019 body style is released, we will keep you guys updated. And I'm gonna assume the G56 is here to stay. That's the thing with Chrysler, they really don't care what people think, and, you know,
just like, you know, just like the Hellcat, they're like, everyone's like, you can't put 700 horsepower in a production car. They did it, and they did it again. They beat 700 with the Demon, and they beat 700 again with the Red Eye. Chrysler really doesn't care. They're doing their own thing and making awesome vehicles. So I just want to keep you guys updated with that, and great news for a lot of us in the Ram community. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mods coming soon. Grill, I want to do an intake horn. Clutch obviously coming soon as well. Tail lights leading into the rebuild of this truck. You're like, rebuild? If you didn't know, yes, I'm going to rebuild this and make it bigger and better. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video and thought it was informational, shoot this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.